look, I have said very clearly, elections are a wonderful celebration of our democracy. It is an occasion every 5 years. In this particular case, local body elections. Every 5 years for people to think about their concerns, their issues, their worries, and their future, what kind of future they want, and to cast a vote for that future. And I appeal to all Malayalis to come out and vote in large numbers. Traditionally, local body elections have seen low turnouts. That is why for many, many years we have had really no development or no governance in our local bodies. So I appeal to everybody to come out and vote in large numbers, because that is the way to bring in change and that is the way to bring in the development that they all want.
Do you think the media's attention this time was not on the local body because of so many other issues, the sleaze of an MLA?
No, look, this is a standard operating procedure for many political parties to try and divert the attention of the people before the elections from the real issues. The real issues in this election are the issues that all people face every day. Roads, drinking water, garbage, sewage, drainage, electricity. These are all the issues that impact every family all across the state. And these are the real issues. People have given opportunities to the LDF and the UDF many, many times in the past. And elections are the time to gauge their report card. Have they delivered or have they not? And if people think they have delivered, they should vote for them. If people think they want change, they should give us an opportunity, and that is really what these elections are about.
An ambitious blueprint has been created, 45 days promise.
No, look, we have absolutely no doubt if people choose to give us an opportunity, which I hope they will. We will certainly reverse the many, many decades of malgovernance and corruption and no development. We will certainly reverse that. That is what Narendra Modi ji did in India in 2014. And that is certainly our ambition and our aim to do if people give us an opportunity here in Kerala.